Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So Chris and I have come to a new creek. We're testing out some spots up and down the river. We haven't really found much gold yet, only a few specks, but oh my god, is it beautiful. Let me show you. So we started off digging over here. I just tried some cracks in along here, and we tried right in along there, but we haven't had any luck yet. I just tried right over here, found a few specks, but not enough to keep us here, so we're going to go explore and try to find some new area. But how beautiful is that? So we're on a spot where we've been finding a lot of fly poop, or as I like to call it, floop. You can see right here, this is where we've been digging. So I've been digging in and around here. Chris has made it all the way over to here. We've got the dream mat set up, and we're running some material through that. Because we're getting fly poop in all of this area, we figure it's a good time to test out the dream mat and see if we can get gold out of that. I'm hoping to see some good results out of the dream mat, primarily because we are not supposed to have to classify. Is that good English? Not supposed to have to? We don't have to classify. That means we can run more material, faster, longer. We'll find out how it does when we clean it up. Let's go. So I don't think the camera is going to pick that up, but that black sand is just loaded with fine gold. There's a little speck right there. Right there. And another one right there. So it seemed to do a pretty good job picking up the fine gold. There's a few more right in there. We're getting cleaned up. We're done for the day. We're gonna get all put together, get it back in our bags, and start heading up that big old hill. So that's our exit. And there's Chris down there. This is gonna be fun. Not. We've made it about halfway up. How beautiful is that? That was not easy. We made it to the top. We still got some hiking to do, but we don't have to hike through that. That's literally where I just walked out of. What we do for gold. So that's it. Me and Chris are back at the truck. We did a lot of exploring. We found some gold. Not as much as we want, but more than we had, and it's better than a pointy stick in your eye. So I'll see you back at the house, and we're gonna see how much gold we got. See you there. So there we have it. There's the gold from the day. A lot of small pieces in there that the Dream Mat caught. And I'm pretty happy about this little chunker right here. It's nice and coarse, which means that it was pretty close to the source. Try to get a better focus on that. Okay, that's it. What a fun day. Got to go out with Chris again. We got to check out some new area. Got to go down a big hill as well as go back up. Whew, that was fun. Sarcasm. So, thank you everyone for joining me today. I look forward to taking you on the next adventure. And don't forget to give the video a like and subscribe if you haven't so that you'll know when more of my videos come out. Thanks again. Bye.